Hello, Uncle. Uncle, please don't hang up. Don't hang up, please. I beg you. Uncle, listen to me. I've been trying to call you, but you've not been taking my calls. Uncle, since I came back, I haven't been able to pay my hotel bills. I am so broke. How about the money I sent to you? The house I asked you to build for me, everything, Uncle. You have been ignoring me. That's not fair. You are my uncle. I've been back for the past 4 months now and I have exhausted everything in me. I can't even pay my hotel bills. As it stands now, I don't even know what will become of me. I don't have money. I don't know how to face the hotel management. Please, Uncle, please, just... Hello? Hello, Uncle? Uncle? Uncle! He hanged up on me. He hanged up on me. What do I do now? How do I pay my bills? Oh, this man is wicked. He hung up on me. So wicked. This man is so wicked.
Hey. Guess what?
Come on, babe. You know, taking guesses is not my strongest spot.
You can try.
Why don't you just do me the favor and tell me what it is?
No.
Oh, come on. Okay, let me take a guess. You got a promotion?
No.
You got hubby a gift? It's a gift. Tell me, what kind of gift is it?
Look at this.
Wait a minute.
We are going to be parents.
It's positive. Oh my goodness! We are going to be parents!
You know what? I'm going to call Daddy immediately.
Yes, and I need to call my boys. Oh my goodness. Damn.
Hello, Dad. I'm fine. Oh yes, I have good news. Dad, I'm pregnant.
So I'm going to be a grandfather.
I know, yes. Yes, Daddy. Really? Tomorrow? Oh, thank you so much. You spoil me. Yes, Daddy. It's fine.
I'm sending you a house help by the weekend. Oh, I can't let my potato, my pumpkin, my only daughter can allow you.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
I love you, pumpkin. Stay safe.
I love you, Daddy. Bye. Thank you, Daddy.
Let's start.
Yes. Wait, are you going now?
Yeah, yes, baby. I told the guys what's up, and they were like, you know, they want to give me a treat, so I'm just going to break the good news to them. They're all waiting for me.
Okay, let me quickly change and join you.
Babe, this is a boy's thing, you know. I mean, trying to understand. I know we guys will sit down and discuss about things like this. I promise you, next time I'll take you with me.
Okay, fine. Okay, have fun and stay safe.
I will.
I love you.
Oh my God, I'm gonna miss you.
Bye. Good luck.
Hi, hello. Hello, darling.
Hi.
I haven't seen you around this area before. Actually, I'm a familiar face around here.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, so tell me, how much for the night?
How do you mean?
Come on, don't act like you don't know what I mean. I can tell you are a very expensive one, judging from your beauty, so tell me, how much for the night?
Can you afford me?
Now listen, if I came out of my house at this time of the night, it simply means I'm ready to afford anything.
Welcome to my room.
Well, this can do. Not bad. Oh. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so let's go straight to business. We don't have time.
Already?
Yeah, of course.
How about the money you promised me?
I see you don't get the memo. Listen, here we do service before payment. I thought you said you're from around here.
Yeah. Very well, let's go.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Let me help you.
No,
Don't worry, it's fine. I'll help you.
No,
Let me do. Babe, come on, babe. I'm so sorry that I came home late, okay? We're just having mad fun, and before I knew it, we had some drinks and all that. We were gisting. Babe, please, forgive me.
You were having mad fun out there, leaving your pregnant wife all by herself. Look at the time you're coming back.
I just said I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come on, don't be offended, huh? How is the little one doing? Come on, man. How's our little baby doing? Tell me.
She's fine.
She's fine. I was under the impression it was going to be a he.
Please stop that, okay? I'm tired. I need to sleep. By the way,
Right.
Daddy's sending a maid soon.
Oh, that is wonderful. That's a good idea. If Dad doesn't want his only child to suffer. Let's go.
Please, leave me alone.
Alright, I'll help you get your phone,
Mr. Man. Hello? Are you in there? My jewelries. My gold. This is not happening. This is not... I can't. Put it there. I kept those jewelries there. Come in.
Okay, ma'am. Your checkout time is by 12. Are you checking out or you're going to renew your payment? Okay. When you're ready, I'll be at the reception. Do have a nice day, ma'am.
What is good about the day? How can I have a nice day with my jewelry's gone? And I'm broke, I can't even sort my hotel. What is nice about the day, you stupid girl?
Yes, Daddy, of course, I appreciate it. I know why you're doing this. Of course. Yes. I think she's here. I'll have to call you back. I love you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Emily and Mr. John sent me for the housekeeping job.
Oh, yes, he told me. You come in.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow, you have a beautiful home.
Thank you. Sit.
Thank you.
Okay, make yourself comfortable. I'll be down in a minute.
All right, sure.
Hello, Daddy. Daddy, who did you send to my house?
What do you mean, my potato?
Can you just stop calling me that? I'm not a child anymore. I'm going to be a mother very soon.
Oh, of course, you're still my baby. You'll always be my baby.
I was talking about the lady you sent to my house. Isn't she a little too pretty to be a maid?
Don't you trust your husband?
I do, but I just...
There's no boat. There is no boat, my pumpkin. She's good at her job, and that's it. She's not working with her back, so she's your house help.
All right. Say so.
All right, my pumpkin.
Where did she go to? You are doing the dishes already?
Yes, ma. I'm so sorry I came into your kitchen without permission. I just wanted to do something. I'm sorry, ma.
It's okay. Finish up and come out. Let me show you to your room.
Okay, ma.
Babe, what happened? I thought I told you Dad was sending a house help. He didn't even stay to see her or welcome her, he just left. You always do this. Yes, she arrived. When are you coming back? So, this is going to be your room.
Okay, ma.
I just have a few rules. Mind your business.
Yes, ma.
Mind what brought you here. And my husband. If you see my husband, don't go frolicking with him or making any kind of friendship. I don't want you overly friendly around him. Okay? Respect him, respect me, and respect your job. Because if you make any sly move, you'll be fired.
Yes, ma.
Hey sis. Yeah, this is me, Maria.
Maria? Oh my goodness! Maria, it's been ages. Are you back? Are you in Nigeria?
Yeah, I've been in Nigeria for the past 4 months.
Wait, and you're just telling me now? Wow.
A lot has happened this past month, honestly. I heard you're married, so I didn't want to disturb you. I need your help.
Oh, okay. What's going on?
It's about your dad. But anyways, it's not something we can talk on the phone. So why not send me your address? Since it's weekend, I can come over.
Okay, that's not a problem at all. I'll text you immediately. Maria! I can't believe this.
Can't wait to see you too. Bye.
Babe. Babe, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Guess what?
What?
My cousin. You remember my cousin, right? The one overseas.
Yes, of course, I do remember her.
She's back and she has been around for 4 months and I'm just finding out about it.
Oh, nice. It feels good to have her around, right?
Yes, even though she didn't sound so good, she sounded off. Something about telling me something about my dad.
Okay, darling, do not let that overwork you, okay? Why don't you just wait till she gets here first?
Anyway, I have sent her the address. She'll be here. See you tomorrow.
Hi. Oh, good morning, sir.
Who's she?
What's wrong with you? I told you. That's the house help. My dad is saying.
Oh, the maid. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir. Ma, I'll be in my room in case you need me.
What was that all about?
I wasn't just expecting anyone in the
I
house.
told you about that and
Oh,
told you.
yes, I remember you. I was shocked. I was just picking her out. Babe, are you stepping out?
No, just getting ready to see my cousin.
Oh, wow. All this preparation for your cousin. What about me?
Is someone jealous?
You bet I am.
Don't worry. You know you have me all to yourself.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
By the way, I have a little something for you.
You do?
I do. Take a look at this.
Babe,
Yes.
this is real gold.
Exactly.
This is beautiful. I love it.
I know you will.
But where did you get the money to buy real gold? You and I know you don't have a job.
Darling, you know how much I love you, huh? And you know I will do anything just to make you happy. Let's just say I have my ways.
Thank you. I love it. Come in. This is beautiful.
Sorry, ma. Someone is waiting for you downstairs.
Okay, we're coming down right away. It's time for me to go and see my cousin.
All right, you know what? I'll join you shortly. Let me just adjust.
Thank you for this.
Oh. I love you. Come on. Go. All right.
Maria! Hey, Jasmine! Come here! Oh my God! Look at you! You still look very beautiful. And you too! Spin around. I miss you so much. I miss you too. Where did you get this necklace from?
Have a seat. Oh, my husband got it for me. I am expecting a child.
Whoa! Congrats!
Thank you. Oh, speaking of husband, babe, come. Meet my cousin, Maria. Ryan, my husband.
Nice to meet you, Maria.
The pleasure is mine.
Yes, the pleasure is mine too.
I will just tell Emily to get something for us.
No, darling, I'll handle that for you. Why don't you just hang out with your cousin, right?
All right, babe.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Have a good time, huh?
Oh, come on, sweet. So, how was the trip?
Fine.
You look so good.
You mean that's your husband, right?
Yes, my husband.
Oh, nice husband.
Oh my goodness! How can you have all that massive curve to yourself?
Good afternoon, sir.
Your madam said you should serve the food when it's ready. Oh my goodness, what have I gotten myself into? How do I expect to get back to the living room now?
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't talking to you. You can go now.
After you, sir.
Oh, all right.
What? So, it wasn't really easy living. It wasn't easy at all. But it was worth it. Only for me to come back and then realize that everything I ever worked for was in vain.
How do you mean?
Don't worry. We'll talk about that later. Just you and I. For now, let's eat.
Okay.
Anyway, just out of curiosity though, what is it you were doing over there?
Oh, I worked in a company as a caretaker.
Oh, nice.
Lest I forget, the necklace you got for your wife is really beautiful.
You okay?
Ryan?
Do you want some more water? Emily! Emily, bring the juice and more water. I have some.
So tell me, what do you do?
No, he works in an oil company as well, something happened, so he decided to take a break.
Yeah,
I see.
that's right.
That's right. Anything else?
It's fine. Thank you very much. Everything okay?
Sure, everything is fine now. I'm fine now. I can eat.
Oh my goodness, this is...
Yeah, he's even lucky to be alive.
Yeah, I didn't see that coming.
I didn't see that. How can one even survive that?
Crazy. This is a good film, actually.
It is.
And the dog is a bit actor.
The dog is very well.
You mind I join you guys?
Of course. Sure, sit.
Thank you.
You know, your house is so beautiful and cozy at night.
Thank you. My dad picked the best one. He gifted me this house as a wedding present.
Oh, your dad got it for you?
Yes, isn't he so thoughtful? The best dad in the whole world.
Yeah, I see.
Speaking of my dad, I remember that you mentioned that you wanted to tell me something about him.
Yeah, but...
What? Babe, can you please excuse us?
Oh, no, let him stay, okay? I'm not ready to talk about it now. I just want you both to give me a little time to fix myself.
Sure. Don't ask. You can stay for as long as you want.
Really? Thank you.
You're welcome. Babe. Excuse me, okay? Babe.
No.
Why did you leave like that?
Why won't I leave like that, huh? Why would you just agree for her to stay in this house without consulting me first or first seeking my approval? Why?
Fine, I'm sorry.
No, you're not sorry. Because you always do this every single time. You keep rubbing it on my face. Your father bought you this big mighty mansion and penned your name on it, and then you're just harboring me in the house because I'm that little rascal that can't afford a room of his own.
Don't you think you're taking this a little too far?
No, I am not taking it too far. Now, here's me taking it too far. She is going to leave this house by tomorrow, and you need to tell her that. If you don't, I will.
She's my cousin.
I don't care! She can be your fairy godmother for all I care. She's leaving tomorrow, and that is final. Or I will leave.
He doesn't approve of it, right?
I'm so sorry, Maria. I will assist with some cash.
What about I talk to him myself?
Sure, if you think it will work. Go ahead.
Let me try. Thank you.
Anytime. She met now.
What are you doing here?
Listen, you must be incredibly foolish to think that I, Maria, would just walk away from this. You stole from me, took advantage of me, and now you think you can get away with this? Never. You had better let me stay here, else I will tell your wife everything. Think about how your wife will feel when she finds out that the gold necklace you gave to her was stolen from her own cousin, whom you had sex with and never compensated.
Are you threatening me?
No, honey, I am not threatening you. I only want you to make the right decision. Else, you live to regret it.
Damn it!
So he used my hard-earned money to buy a house for his daughter as a wedding gift. Oh. I will make sure he pays for it. His daughter has to pay for it. He won't go scot-free. Never. He won't go scot-free. Oh, gosh. It's all right.
morning, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Myself and my cousin are going out, so I would like for you to make breakfast for my husband.
Okay, ma.
Take care of the house.
Okay. Yes, ma.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. This looks good.
Okay, fine. Can you help yourself?
No worry, I'll sort it out myself.
Okay.
That's
Enjoy your meal, sir.
That's it. Hey! 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 You drunk?
If you need anything, sir, I'll be in my room.
Alright.
Sir, do you want anything? Sir?
Yes, Emily.
Okay.
I want you. I want your body.
No, sir. No. I'll lose my job if Madam finds out.
No, you won't. Are you going to tell her? Hmm? She's not going to find out as long as you don't tell her. You're not a child. Hmm? Listen, Madame has gone out. And she's not coming back anytime soon. Don't worry. I will protect you and I will give you anything that you need. Hmm? Give me your body.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
You have nothing to be scared about. Take off your clothes, we don't have time. Let's get on with this.
All right, doctor. I'll come tomorrow for the checkup. That's fine. Okay, thank you.
Babe, who was that on the phone?
That was the doctor. I just booked an appointment for tomorrow.
Oh, nice. I want our baby to be very healthy.
Of course. You're coming with me, right?
I would prefer you go with Maria. You'll have more fun that way.
Yes, but you still can join us.
I know. Okay, the truth is I have something really important that I need to fix by tomorrow. But I'm sure you and Maria will have fun.
Okay. What about Emily? How did she do?
Emily's fine. Well, she cooks good. She cleans good. To be honest, she's just too good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I guess I have to call Daddy to say thank you.
Come here, my remember it? Love you, baby.
You still don't want to join us tomorrow?
What? Checking my fingers?
No.
Hey. Good morning.
You know, Maria, I have been wondering. I have been meaning to ask. How long do you plan on living here?
As long as I wish. Does it bother you?
So your plan is to live here till forever?
Hey, relax, okay? Listen, we better get along. Because there's no difference between you and I. We can be kicked out of this house anytime. Don't let the husband title deceive you, Okay, don't let it get into your head.
And hey, you better get your eyes off the help before it gets plucked.
Now I know that you are definitely nuts. You are indeed out of your mind. What could I possibly be doing with a house help, huh? Tell me.
Everything, honey. Everything.
Of course, darling. But Dad, you know already. Okay, Dad, I love you so much too. Dad, that is someone I would like you to. Never mind, Dad. I'll call you back, okay? I love you. Why?
I don't want him to know that I'm back. And again, staying with you.
It's not bad. He's your uncle.
I know, but I just don't want him to know. Please, can you do that for me?
Fine. Can we go already before the sun sets? You know I hate the sun.
Thank you. You look good.
You too.
Thank you. Sorry.
Shh. Not one word from you.
Maria, it's not what you think. I
I'm
was
not
just...
thinking anything. As a matter of fact, your beloved wife asked me to get her ATM card from you. So I'll be going right upstairs to the room and you come with me immediately. Emily, well done.
Can you see what you've caused? Have you seen what you've caused?
Oh,
What are we
you
going to
shut
do
up.
now?
You're the one that caused it. Maybe moaning so loudly like you want to bring down the roof. Can't you moan gently?
How is my mourning the problem here?
Please, don't tell my wife. I beg you.
Aren't you married? Please get me the ATM card and let me leave here. She's waiting for me. How can I be pregnant for that fool? How? My goodness, what do I do now? There's absolutely nothing I can do. I'll just have to keep the baby. Okay.
Morning, man.
Yeah, good morning.
Are you okay? Ma, should I dish your food now?
Yeah, sure.
Ma, do you need anything else?
No, it's fine.
No.
Okay. Maria, what is it?
Nothing, I'm fine.
No, you're not. I mean, just look at you. You look like a shadow of yourself.
I'm fine. Let's eat.
What is it?
I'm not hungry. I think I want to eat something else. I don't know. I'm full. I don't have appetite.
Maria. Are you pregnant?
Sis, I'm really very sorry.
Look, it's not about being sorry. How could you? How could you sleep with someone you don't even know?
Exactly.
Don't judge me. I'll take full responsibility for my action.
Really? Take full responsibility. Now tell me how you intend on doing that. When you don't even have a job, you don't have money, you don't have a house of your own, how are you going to survive with your baby?
Exactly, how? You know, my anger is that she stooped so low to sleep with a dimwit, a fool, a coward who will have sex with her and steal from her. What a street weak man.
I know, right? God will punish him. He will not die well. I know I made a mistake. Such a foolish man.
God will fire him.
God will punish him.
Wherever he is,
His leg will break.
he will suffer.
His man who do not want to
It will
again.
never start. He can never impregnate a
let's-
woman
let's-
ever in his life.
Amen.
We can find a way to solve
Whose
this. right?
side are you on?
I understand.
God will punish him.
He will die.
He will cut.
Now you listen to me, Maria, and listen good. Whatever you think you have in your mind, you are not keeping that child.
Really? Why? Listen, I am keeping this child whether you like it or not. And hey, you don't even have to be part of it, okay? Because I've got my own plans.
I beg your pardon. What stupid plan are you talking about?
You think I'm a fool? Or because I've been keeping quiet, accepting all your rubbish, huh? Or you think I'm a kind person? Listen, I've got my own plans. I am sowing because I'm going to be reaping very soon.
Listen, I don't care whatever rubbish or stupid plans you may think you have, but it's better not have anything to do with hurting my family and I. Otherwise.
Your family? As if you care. Please get out! Rubbish. Hey. This guy thinks I'm a fool. No, he thinks I am stupid because I've been keeping quiet all this while, right? I'll show you the stuff I'm made of.
Sir, please stop. Please, stop. I don't want to do anything. Stop.
Come on, we've passed the talking stage already. What's wrong with you? Don't you enjoy me anymore?
No. Sir.
Are you out of your mind? What do you mean, no, sir? Why do you have to lie?
I haven't seen my period for the past 2 months.
What?
Yes.
But what has that got to do with me? I mean, am I the only man that you sleep around with?
Of course you're the only man I've been sleeping with since I came to this place. And you know that.
Shh. That's enough. I don't want to hear that from my mouth anymore. Just shut it, okay? Listen, you just have to keep your cool. In the meantime, I'll find a way to sort this out. And by the way, keep the right attitude, okay? I don't want to see you vomiting anywhere around the house. And I don't want to see you acting all fuzzy and dizzy. Just act normal. Do you understand? I'll get back to you.
What are you doing?
I'm preparing things for dinner.
Are you sure you can cook?
Of course I can cook. That's my job. I've been cooking since I came to this house.
I am asking because you haven't seen your period, and that simply means you're pregnant.
I don't know what you're talking about, Ma.
I overheard you both talking about it. So if you claim not to know what I'm talking about, then I know.
Ma, please. Please, don't tell my madam. I don't want to lose my job. Please, Ma.
I won't. Because when the right time comes, you will tell her yourself, right?
Yes, Ma.
Good. If you need anything, let me know, okay?
Yes, Ma.
And where are you off to?
And how is that supposed to be your concern, huh? Don't you know when to mind your business?
I am minding my business. Need I remind you that you have 2 pregnant women in this house waiting for you? Or should I say 3 pregnant women? So don't go out there getting the 4th woman pregnant.
3 pregnant women. What do you mean by that, huh? Have you gone nuts?
Oh my God. You must be really shocked hearing that. Listen, your days in this house are numbered. So you better be careful, else it will be shorter than expected.
Well, you better be careful and let me remind you. I don't want my wife hearing anything about this. You better be careful.
Yes, boss. Oh my days. Stupid.
Babe,
Yes, babe.
haven't you noticed yet?
Noticed what?
Our maid. She's been acting rather strange of recent.
Strange. Well, I wouldn't notice because, I'm hardly at home. I go to work every day and come back in the evening. So you're the one who's always in the house. So I guess you'll be the one to know.
Go ahead. Rub it on my face. I'm always at home, Abby.
Stop that. I didn't mean it that way, Sorry.
Anyway, what I'm trying to say is she's been acting all tired. She doesn't even finish her house chores anymore. She's always sleeping every now and then, and she throws up quite often. Maybe there could be something wrong.
Wait. What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
You know what?
No,
I need to go and ask her.
No, babe, listen, you can ask her, but definitely not tonight, okay? Okay?
God, what is my house turning into?
Darling, don't let it stress you. Come on. I just thought I should let you know. Just relax. And let me continue my duty, alright? Hey. Now you listen, young lady. If my wife should ever ask you who the father of your unborn is, tell her it's Prince. His name is Prince. And he doesn't live in town, okay? He stays in Kaduna. Yes, Kaduna.
But sir...
There is no but. Don't but me, no but. He stays in Kaduna. Kaduna! Kaduna! Have I made myself clear?
He stays in Kaduna.
Yes. Now let's get over with this. Don't forget, Kaduna, Prince.
Kaduna.
Emily! Hey, wake up! Get up! Why are you sleeping? Oh, so it's true.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. She said good morning. You don't even know what time it is. Good morning. You are pregnant.
Ma?
No, sir. Why else are you sleeping by this time of the day? On a weekend that you have a lot of chores to do. On a weekend that you have a lot of chores to do. You're sorry. You're sorry, Emily. Who got you pregnant? Who impregnated you, Emily? Because you know what? You're going to meet him. You're leaving this house and you're going to meet the father of your unborn child because I cannot continue to take care of you and your unborn child. I don't want to do that. I don't want a charity organization. Start talking now. Who got you pregnant?
What is going on here?
It's a good thing that you're here. This girl is pregnant. Are you aware of that?
You're pregnant? Who's responsible? Ma, I'm pregnant for my boyfriend. Ma, his name is Prince. He stays in Kaduna, but he comes to Lagos to see me and he goes back. But ever since the pregnancy, he stopped taking my calls.
Wait, your boyfriend doesn't stay in Lagos, yet he stopped picking your calls?
Yes.
Jasmine, please, can I talk to her?
Sure, go ahead. I'm tired of this. So this is what you do with your free time. This is what you do with your free time.
Follow me.
So this is what you do with your free time. Sneaking out, going around. Move, get out.
What is wrong with you? How could you lie about your pregnancy? Are you a child? Listen, he is trying to push you away because he knows that if his wife finds out, she's going to throw you out.
That was what he told me to tell Madam until he finds a solution.
That was what he told you to tell Madam, and you foolishly told Madam those lies. Who told you he has a solution? What will he do? You think he will divorce his wife for you? Never. A local house help like you, it's not possible. You better tell yourself the truth.
Oma, I can't do that now. Please. Just give me some time to think about it. Please don't let Madam chase me out. I'm surviving and taking care of my family with this job. I beg you.
And you got pregnant. Huh? What am I going to do now? You know what? I'll try and talk to her. But you better think fast. Think fast.
What the hell have I gotten myself into? God.
Nonsense. Can you imagine that?
What did she say?
The stupid girl is pregnant. And she wants to stay in my house.
Oh my God, she's pregnant?
Yes.
Did she say anything about who the father of the child is?
I can't even make sense of all the things she has been saying. Going on and on about her boyfriend getting her pregnant, some guy named Prince, and now he's not even taking her calls. Or nowhere to be found.
That's all they do. Girls of these days, they just go about getting pregnant left, right, and center. They can't even keep themselves together. What are we going to do now?
What are we going to do? There's only one thing to do here. It means she's leaving this house. I'm going to send her packing.
I concur.
She should go and meet the Prince Charming that got her pregnant.
She should leave. She should go and look for that Prince Charming that got her pregnant.
Exactly.
I mean, we can't have 3 pregnant women in the same house. You know what? Even your cousin needs to go. Yes.
About that,
Babe, she needs to
working
go.
on that. Let's just tackle this and its own. Fast. She needs to go.
Okay. Said my own shot.
Imagine. Dad, I'm saying she is pregnant. What do you mean by that? What are you saying? That her pregnancy has nothing to do with me as long as she's doing her job? Have you forgotten that I'm also pregnant? And there can only be one pregnant woman in this house, and that should be me. I know what you're trying to say, but I don't know her. What if she falls and something bad happens? How will I explain that to her family members? I'm not comfortable with her being here. I want her gone. Fine. Okay, Dad. I'll call you back. I love you. Hey. Emily. Are you okay? No. Hey, don't worry, okay? Do not even bother. What I want you to do is just go to your room, pack your things, and go and meet the man that got you pregnant. You can't be under my roof carrying someone else's child. I cannot continue to keep you here. It is not safe for you. It is not safe for me. I just need you to go and pack your things and leave. Go now. Don't beg me. I've made up my mind. Just go. Go. Give that to me. Leave. Now. What? Begging me. Go to your room, pack your things and leave. What's all this? What?
Jasmine, calm down. Okay, relax. Let her be. You know she's scared of going home because of the insults, the harassment that will happen to her at home.
Does it look like I care? I am more concerned with her being here and getting injured doing house chores. I'm not comfortable with it. I want her gone.
She will go. Fine. She will leave.
That's better. I'm off to the market, okay? And by the time I'm back, she should be gone. Okay?
Take it easy.
You better make her leave, okay?
Where is that fool? Where is he?
What the hell is your problem, Maria? Huh? Why do you keep acting like you own this house?
So you are here, relaxed in this room, while the innocent girl you put in a family way is being harassed by your wife.
Well, then let her go. Let her go. What the hell is she waiting for?
Really? Do you realize that Emily could have simply told your wife everything? But she chose to ignore the joke and the stunt. You are here hiding your face. Listen, it's time to face the truth and take responsibilities for your action.
All right. Let's say I want to be responsible. Madam, What do you suppose I do?
Get your wife to let her stay as long as it doesn't affect her job.
And if I do that, she won't say a word to my wife.
I can assure you that. Yes.
All right. Till when?
Till she figures out what to do. Okay? She's confused right now.
All right. I will. I'll get the hell out of my room.
I don't know what to do. I don't even know if she's going to believe me if I tell her that her husband got me pregnant. I don't know if she will believe me anymore.
The problem is that you don't even have the guts to. Listen, you have to be strong. You need to be brave. Brave enough to tell her everything. You need to be strong enough to tell her just the way you were brave enough to open your legs for that bastardized human being.
Sorry, Ma.
Anyways, I was able to talk to him. Yes, I asked him to convince his wife into letting you stay. But, hey, you have to promise me that you would work hard. You won't let this pregnancy stop you from doing your house chores. Do you hear me? Okay? I have seen pregnant women work so hard.
I'll work hard.
When you're ready to tell Jasmine, you go ahead and tell her. But please, be fast about it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, what are you doing in my house?
Darling,
What is she doing here?
darling, take it easy, all right? I did some thinking and I realized that we need to give her some time to get herself together, okay?
To get herself together in my house. Don't you have a house?
Listen.
Did you fall from the sky to my place?
Listen, babe. See, I just thought that maybe as long as it doesn't affect her work, she should stay.
She will not stay. You will go and find that man that got you pregnant and stay with him. I don't want to be responsible for her. Leave my house! Jasmine!
And even you. Do you ever think for yourself? I mean, how long do you think you're going to stay in this house? Till forever? It's so appalling that my house has suddenly become a fatherless baby's home. Damn it!
I can't deal with this right now. I'm so tired. I don't want to deal with it. I just want her gone.
Don't worry,
Here,
darling.
let me get all the things I
Fine,
have.
darling, just take it easy, all right?
Stop with the pretense and leave!
Darling, we'll talk about this upstairs, okay? Come on.
Crying, don't listen to me. Better watch your mouth. Keep it together, can you? Watch it, okay? You know I could easily tell Jasmine who the real father of my unborn child is.
Really?
Yes.
No, because the way I see it, you can't do that because if you do, we both are gonna lose.
The only reason I am keeping quiet is because you're not qualified to be a father. You are just a loser.
I dare you. Do it.
Stupid man. Emily, you can go to your room now.
Yes, Ma.
Stop crying and go to your room.
I love her eyes.
Sis.
You know, if I had money, I would have gotten a place like this. I mean, the light is so stable, security is so tight, everything is just beautiful. I know it must have really cost a lot, right?
I guess. The funny thing is that before now, my husband and I have been living in a crappy apartment. Then from nowhere, Daddy just came and gave 2 keys, one to this apartment and the other one to my company.
Wow. Anyways, I'm not surprised. You know you're a daddy's girl. Yeah, he can do anything for you. Mm-hmm. That reminds me, sis, what about Rayhan? You know that he can't continue staying at home just like that. Soon you will put to bed and you will stop working too. So how do you guys cope?
I know, right? But my daddy said he would help. Speaking of my dad, there was something you said you needed to talk to me about him. You haven't said that to me.
I'll tell you, but not now.
Why not now?
Please, not now.
Hey, let's watch. I love her hair.
Hey, cuz.
Hey, sis.
Stepping out?
Yes, I want to buy something down the road.
Okay, just be careful, okay?
Don't worry, I'll be back before I know it.
Alright.
Bye.
Stay safe.
You too.
Yeah, hello. Listen, I'm sending you a document right now for you to do the needful. When I call you, you come with it. All right? Good.
God. What am I going to do? Because sooner or later, your wife will ask me to move out.
Take your voice down.
Her pregnancy has popped. So has mine. Maria's too.
For the record, Maria's pregnancy has nothing to do with me. Okay?
I am just reminding you that you are in a house with 3 women. 3 pregnant women.
Emily, and what gives you the guts to talk to me in that manner in this house? Huh?
A mother will survive for her child. Sir.
Oh, darling.
Everything okay? Why did you lock the
I
door?
don't know. It was nothing. I had no idea the door was locked. I just probably a slip of my fingers. Are you okay?
I came to remind you that the 3 months grace you said to give Emily has passed. Now she has to go.
Yeah, I concur to that. So let's do this.
I'll just go to her room and give her the information.
All right, and I'll join you shortly. Let me just get my... Emily, come on.
She go.
Three pregnant women don't kill me. Don't kill me in this house.
Just the person I was looking for. Listen up, Emily. As you can see, I am 8 months gone. My cousin is 6 months gone. And you are about 4 months gone. So this whole thing is complicated. There's no way 3 of us can live in this house. You have to leave. I can't send my sister away. She's family. So you have to go. Pack your things. Don't bother about doing any chores today. Don't do anything at all. Just pack your things and leave. I have increased your salary. I'm going to add a little more for your upkeep until you find another job. Okay?
Okay, ma.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes, ma.
Very well then. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Cause
Yeah,
I have something important to talk to you about.
okay.
I hope you don't take this the wrong way. You see, I am almost due. And this is my first pregnancy. It means I'm going to have to take some time out from work. You know already that my husband doesn't work. And that means we're going to depend on the little that I've saved so far. That is why you have to find a way out for yourself.
It's okay. Thank you for everything you've done for me.
I have already told Emily to pack her things and leave tomorrow. But you can stay till the end of the week, okay?
Okay. It's okay. Thank you.
I believe you figure it out.
Sure.
All right.
You're good, right?
Yeah, I'm okay. I hope we are good. It's okay.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Maria. Okay.
You're packing already?
Yes, ma. I'm leaving tomorrow. But before I do, I'll do the necessary thing first. I won't take the fall alone.
It's okay. I'll be leaving soon too. Just take care of yourself, okay?
You too.
Uncle John, so this is how you want it, right? Very well then. Let's have it. Because I won't let everything I worked for go down just like that. Never.
Should be fine.
Ma, I'm ready to go.
Emily, thank you so much for everything you have done for my family. Your services and your hard work will always be appreciated. Right now, you need to move on and take care of yourself and your unborn child.
Emily, thank you very much for everything you've done, okay?
Here, accept this little token from us. This is just a farewell package. In here, there's a check that would settle your transportation and anything else. Even your bills until you put to bed. I want you even get a new job. Please accept it and don't say no. Here, you can go now.
I'm sorry, I won't. Ma. Because I am not going anywhere.
And what do you mean you are not going anywhere? Huh? Tell me!
It means exactly what you read. I am not going anywhere. I have suffered enough for this pregnancy. And it's high time you take part in it.
What do you mean by I'll take part in it? Eh? What kind of nonsense is that? What are you talking about? Me take part in what?
Take part in what exactly? Sis, did you hear that?
I heard it though.
Oh.
She's trying to tell you that Ryan here
is the father of my child.
Babe, listen, it's just not, I can explain.
Wait. What is she talking about?
It was just once. I never meant it to happen. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. Oh shit.
You can explain?
Please. Please listen to me. I am your husband. Don't listen.
Yes. You can explain what?
Explain that he is the father of my child. So I have every right to stay in this house.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Maria?
Darling, please, let's just talk about this.
Talk about what? Will you listen? Get your things and leave now! I'm not going. What did you just say to me?
Hey! Baby! Are you mad? Are you mad?
Where is the car key?
Where is the car key? Where's the car keys?
Go get the car key now! Hurry!
Sure you are happy now, eh? Sure you are happy now, Emily, for destroying my family, huh?
Oh no, I did not destroy your family. You did.
Oh yes, you did. When you were busy whining your bum, tempting me up and down. Didn't you know that there's a man in this house?
Oh, is it not my fault that you don't have self-control? Eh? I was only here to do my bloody job, but you just couldn't keep your eyes off my
Does that mean that you should be whining your bum?
I did not want anything. You are the one who doesn't have single self-control.
Babe.
Are you two miscreants still in my house?
Babe, listen. Babe, please. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm still your husband. Please. Don't do this to us. Baby, please. Baby, we can talk about this, baby. Baby, please. We can't just end
Homeless
this
man, come back here. We'll be homeless together.
Say,
Not seen anything.
Listen, it's time for you to go, please. Go. You need to leave now. Start going. Hang your bag. It's time for you to leave. Please, you've done enough. Come and start going. What is this?
It's because of you.
Start going. Oh, you still want the money. You're still taking the money. Bye-bye. It was nice banking with you.
Babe, please.
Don't even think of begging.
Please, Daddy.
Get out!
Daddy, please don't do this to me, no. Please don't.
This is all you came to this house.
Please don't embarrass me.
Every other thing I
beg
bought.
you. Baby, please, I'm begging you. Please, talk to your cousin for me.
Talk to
I'll be
boss.
very.
Don't let me worsen the situation. Because I'm not holding a gun.
Mary. Baby.
Get out!
Baby,
Out! Don't you dare call me that. I am not your baby.
Fine. Okay, fine. I'll go.
Go.
Please, I still love you. I love you.
Where did you get
I said, shut up! Move. I said, move!
Why are you pointing a gun at me?
You will soon find out. Now move.
What's going on?
Take your phone.
Huh?
Pick up your phone! I said, pick the damn phone! Okay. Now call your dad. Tell him that you're in labor. Right now. Go on.
Maria.
Call your dad!
Hello.
Daddy, I need your help. I think my water broke. Yes, I'm at home. Yes, come now, please. I need your help. Please.
Good girl. Now, let's go to the sitting room. Move.
Madam, can we talk?
I said, shut up and move.
Did I do it?
Obey!
Hey! Why are you doing this to me? And who is this?
Shut up! Your father brought these upon you. Like they say, the children shall pay for the sins of their father. So you are going to pay for every single thing your father did to me.
And what did my father do to you?
Good question. I know you must be thinking that I wasted all my years abroad. No, honey. Every single thing that I worked for, I gave to your father. Every money that I made, I gave to your father to build a house for me. But instead, he got you a house. This house with my hard-earned money.
No, that's not true. My father would never do that. He's a good man.
Oh, sorry to disappoint you, honey. He did it. He used my money, my sweat, everything I ever worked for. And today, you are going to feel every pain that your father made me go through. To make matters worse, your husband complicated everything.
Husband? How?
Your husband stole from me, took advantage of me. He came to me with empty promises. You see that necklace you're wearing? Belongs to me. That is my gold necklace that he stole from me. To crown it all, he got me pregnant.
No.
Yes. This pregnancy belongs to your husband.
No. I don't believe you.
My darling, you have to believe it. Because that is the truth. And today I am going to take every single thing.
I've been so nice to you. Why you stop pointing that to me? I don't... Dad!
What's going on here?
Ah.
What's going on here?
Welcome, Uncle.
Maria, what's the problem?
I see that you've come to rescue your little princess.
What is the problem? What's happening here? Put the gun down.
Give them the document! Fast!
It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. Calm down. Calm down, Maria. That's a gun you're holding there.
Dad?
Calm down.
Sign it!
Why? What is this?
That is a transfer of ownership document. Sign it right now.
What makes you think I'm going to do that?
You were going to sign it either dead or alive.
Okay.
Take it easy with the gun. Take it easy with the gun. Take it easy with the gun.
Let her sign it. Now! Good girl. Now,
Sir?
onto your father, who was the eyewitness. Sign it or I blow her head right now! Beautiful. Bravo.
Could you keep the gun down?
Now I have no business with you both. Get out of my house. Get out of my house! Take them away right now! Get out!
Out. Just take it easy. Out.
Out! No business with you both anymore. Out!
You will pay for
Get out!
Leave.
Evil man!
Out.
Ingrid, you pay for this.
Out! Baby, we now have a roof over our head.